Ngayon, may lakad na naman kami. Pupunta kami ng isang park. Maan lang kami dito sa store para bumili ng tubig. Ay, pupunta na naman kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta lang? Where are we going?
Cool Park.
Cool Park. Yeah, i-enjoy natin ng summer.
Last day to summer.
Last day? Oh my God.
Winter is coming. Rainy and windy.
Kailangan natin i-enjoy ang summer. Pogi naman ang asawa ko. Pogi naman ang driver ko. Personal driver and lover.
That's your payment for my job.
And pogi ng driver. I-enjoy natin ang view. Andito na kami. Naghanap lang kami ng mapaparkingan. Ang ganda dito. Not much people, love, yeah? Yeah. Kakain na kami guys ng aming tanghalian. Meron kaming baon, fried rice, adobo, chicken adobo, and then chicken nuggets. Let's eat! Kakain na tayo. Dali na. Ang ganda ng view namin dito. What's that? You gonna try? Oh, sorry. Chicken nuggets. Oh. That's good. Oh, it's nice in there, love.
Yeah, so we have to go this way.
Where? Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda. Yan.
Okay, so let's go to the house.
We going back? But
We might go this way.
All the pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. Pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. All the pretty girls.
ang ganda dito. Wait lang. Ito, ang ganda. Dito tayo ngayon sa kalagitnaan ng kakahuyan. Yes! The river? Punta daw kami dito sa ilog. Meron din pala dito mga tao naglalakad. Ah, ilog. That's the lake, yeah?
Yeah, that's the lake.
Oh my God. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Sunog na tayo. We going in there, no?
Yeah, yeah,
We're
but
ready
we're
to
still
go.
in the main road, yeah.
Yeah.
Be good and follow the sun.
I need to say, yan! Dito muna kami nag-stop over. Lake?
Cold lake.
Cool Lake. What? Ano muna kami dito. Yes. Pahingan. Magbilad muna tayo sa araw. Gimlit siya. Ating ano eh. Yan. Magbilad-bilad muna tayo sa araw. Tapos mamaya itim-itim na natin. Ang dami tao din dito. We are dating in here. We do have like a snack spot. One more. Okay. Thank you. Yan. Tikman natin. Sana hindi siya maasim. Tamis.
Do you have a rambutan tree in your village?
No.
No.
Yeah. We don't have
And that lychee?
lychee. No, we don't. Come on. Iba. Asim. Asim.
Sour?
Yeah.
Let's make it a sour.
Libre lang yung raspberry. No. Blackberry. Tamis. Oh my God.
Exquisite.
Exquisite. Tamis love. Wala eh.
Sour?
No, it's sweet.
Sometimes you may see like a really big one, like the small one that I show you. Like because first they're getting like a black, and
Yeah.
then they need some few weeks to get sweet.
Yeah.
So you need to find like a really ready to eat, not a small one. But like a big one.
If you're hungry, you just get the blackberry and then the raspberry. Raspberry?
Yeah, there's some wild raspberries.
Yeah, wild raspberry.
But in the back, there's a plenty of the ready to eat.
Really?
Yeah.
Dami! Kaso lang hindi natin abot. Hindi natin abot. Yeah.
Careful this,
Why?
because they cause you some itchy, like a rash.
Really? Ayan pa, ang dami. Oh. Kaso ang layo. Nakakatakot yung mga ano dito, yung mga ibang damo kasi Makati daw. Yeah? Oh my God, eh. Hala. Sobrang dami. Hala, oy. Oh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh, look at that. Iba mga ano pa. Mga hilaw pa. Pero tingnan mo, meron ng ano, mga hinog. Yeah. Ha? We going back?
No. We're going this way. And then we have to come back.
Ang dami. Oh, wala. Oh, wait lang guys. Wait lang, love. Love. Love, wait. Ow! Ouchie. Ang laki. Ang laki. Ang laki. Ayan.
See that? Do you have that in Philippines?
What's that? Oh, yeah, tutubi.
I think it's called dragonfly.
Dragonfly, yeah. ako eh. Oo. Tabi-tabi po. Hala, ang dami. Ang dami. Oh, that's a lot. Oo. Hala. Hala, kahit saan na dito eh. Hala. Kahit saan ka lang mamitas dito. Love, wait lang. Hala. Asawa ko, ang bilis maglakad. Hala, ang dami. Oh my God. Oh, ang dami. Kaso lo, yung iba, maasim. We going back? Hoy! This is the main road, love.
Yeah.
Kahit hindi natin kasi malinis naman ito. Pero kailangan natin i-check kasi baka may mga insect din. Sarap ang tamis. Ay. Ang lamig na dito kanina. Sobrang init. Kaya nagbihis ako kasi sobrang init kanina. Tapos nagbihis na ako kasi malamig. What's that, love? Uy, there's a tunnel in there, love.
I don't know. Dahil muna kami ng store para sa aming dinner. I'm gonna eat something else. I don't get what.
Ano ba? Lang dito kahit anong suot mo. I'm saying that not judge you like what you are wearing, what is you looks like.
In here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I don't care. I don't care about that.
Hindi sila mga judgmental dito.